Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I am your host, your host, and as usual in the ghost mode, Mohit Jain. Today in this session we would be talking about the new pattern with which DeltaX are hiring this season. DeltaX online hiring assessment test conducted in the month of May 2023 comprises of 3 rounds, round 1, 2 and 3, and every round is an elimination round and it is time bounded. So you need to clear round 1, you need to clear the cutoff in round 1. You can move to the next round only if you clear the previous round. In round 1, we have an aptitude test which consists of questions from numbers, verbal, reasoning, and questions from day-to-day uses of computer, MS Word, internet. It would run for 60 minutes. Timer would be running for 60 minutes, and that time you need to go through 87 questions and you need to answer those. Those questions are pretty easy, but you need to be quick if you want to at least touch 80 plus questions in that given time frame. Once you have cleared or once you are through with round 1, you will go into round 2. Those are attention to detail type questions. We will show you what kind of questions they give. 11 questions would be there, which would include at least 2 audio questions also, which you need to hear it by yourself and then answer whatever question is asked. And for that, 30 good minutes are given. After that is analytical test, which is actually data interpretation. It is all about DI. Different tables would be given and questions attached to it. You need to solve. 9 questions are there, for which again 30 minutes are there. Once you have cleared round 3, which you don't know whether you have cleared or not, they would be giving you or sending you another email if you are shortlisted after round 3, and then you would be invited for further interview round. Be quick while solving round 1, but try to maintain the efficiency level. That is must. And before that, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's MJ Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you.